Hello everybody, I have this 1500 watt, 3300 PSI paint sprayer for you guys. Great for painting your own home, your garage, either for personal work or if you want to do it professionally. This is a great little rig for you guys, and it is very good quality, guys. Vevor makes good quality stuff. Comes with a lot of extra pieces for you as well, extra nozzles, filters, everything you need. It does come with this extender here, so for if you need that extender to reach difficult places, then you can use that. But yeah, I just have it plugged into the wall here, and yeah, it looks really nice. We're just going to turn it on here. Oh, it does have a primer valve here, so you can change it whether you're using paint or primer. And there's just the on button right there.
Welcome to Smart Control Painting Sprayer.
Talks to you.
Lubricant before use.
Talks to you, which is really cool. And it's off right now. There's the nozzle. There it says primer there. So if you wanted a slower setting for the primer, you just turn it on just like that, and there you go. And then you want to flip that for the primer, and then you want to turn it up. And it's very good quality. I mean, this thing's an absolute tank. So yeah, very cool. And that's got a this on the front as well. It will let you know if you have any issues or anything like that. It does have a nice handle here, which is really nice, easy to carry around. And then obviously here it has the cable management, which is really nice. So as you're rolling it around, it's just not gonna, this isn't gonna be dragging anywhere. And then obviously, it has a wheel as well. So super easy, you just tilt it and you can, roll it around and everything like that. So I have it plugged in, so I can't roll it, but yeah, so nice little rig. If you guys are looking for something that is good for, home use, personal use, or professional work, it's gonna work great for both. Very good quality. Again, I really like Vevor. They make good quality stuff. So definitely check it out for yourself, guys, and pick one up for yourself.